So as we move to ritual number 3, you're lighting your candle, you're placing it in the proper space. You are going to activate your water. The code that we're using is 819794818. Each code that gets activated with each ritual is the code reflected in the sonic frequency that you are listening to. You're going to set your water in here and activate it. I impact the frequency of this activation into this water. As this ritual unfolds, this water receives and carries the intention I am choosing to embody. 819794818. So I wrote it here. I do have a little bit of paint. My paint wasn't 100% dry when we started, and I'm using an acrylic pen. The other codes, there is no specific place for you to write the codes. You write the codes wherever you would like to. If the code repeats, for example, we put in poverty cancel, but when I wrote it in ritual 2, it went right here. So it is there twice, and that is okay. Now, put the song on repeat, and inside of your frame, but outside of the portal itself, in all of these spaces, okay, you are going to write what you are choosing to experience in this new reality moving forward. This portal is being programmed to take you to your highest available timeline. And so you're giving it the instructions, the home, the love, the money, the freedom, the peace, the pleasure, the opportunities, the relationships, the travel, whatever the work is, the support, write the way that you even just want to feel every day. You can write very specific desires, you can write short phrases, declarations, experiences, feelings, or even individual words that represent the reality that you're creating. And you're going to fill all of this space. Let yourself go beyond possessions and be more in the feeling. There are questions on the screen that really will help you dive into this. Like, what are you walking up to? Who are you surrounded by? How does money move through your life? How does your body feel? What are you creating? And so on. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, glory, and abundance. I am available to receive the reality I have chosen. I love you guys so much for being here and for doing this for yourself. Your portal now knows who you are, and it is carrying the activation language, and it's holding the reality you are choosing to experience. What happens next um, is protection. I'll see you there.